Today we discuss the topic walk path circuits. Walk is a finite alternating sequence of vertices and edges. That is, if we start from V1, in this graph, V1, E9, V7, E10, V1, it's a walk. It's a finite alternating sequence of vertices and edges. In a walk, no edge can appear more than once. No edge can appear more than once in a walk. Here are some examples of walk. For this graph, V2, E2, V3. It's a walk, alternating sequence of vertices and edges. No edge is repeated, so it's a walk. It is an open walk. Open walk means it starts from one vertex and ends at other vertex. That is open walk. Next example, V2, E4, V6, E3. V2, E4, V6, not E3. Here it is E5, V4, E3, V3. It's also an open walk. Starts from the vertex V2 and ends at V3. Next is V1, E10, V7, then E9, V1, E7, V2. It is also an open walk. Next one is V1, E10, V7, E9, V1. It's a closed walk starting from the vertex V1 and ends to itself. So it's a closed walk. Now, how to find the length of a walk? Length of a walk means number of edges in the walk. Length of a walk equals number of edges in the walk. In the first walk, length of that walk is 1 because it contains only one edge. In the second walk, length of a walk is 1, 2, 3. 3. The third example, length is 1, 2, 3. Here also 3. In the last example, length of the walk is 1, 2. So 2. So length of a walk is number of edges in the walk. Next is path. Path is an open walk but in which no vertex can appear more than once. In a walk there is no edge can appear once, but in a path there is no vertex can appear path. Also a path is a walk. So example V6, E5, V4, E3, V3, E2, V2. It's a sequence of vertices and edges. No edge is repeated, no vertex is also repeated. Next is circuit or cycle. A closed walk, at least one edge in which no vertex except at the terminal vertex appear more than once. A circuit is a closed walk. At least one edge in which a closed walk contains at least one edge. No vertex except the terminal vertices appear more than once. Terminal vertices appear more than once. No other internal vertices appear more than once.